Or households are being urged to run their taps for at least 30 seconds before drinking or cooking.
For some residents in the western suburbs, it's unbearable. Recent hot and rainy weather has left many homes with smelly and dirty tasting tap water.
Hi guys, Kev here from AquaConnect. In this short video, I want to talk to you about all of the benefits of installing a 3-stage home filtration system at your property. If you've lived in Perth for a while, you'd already know that you've got issues with how hard and how many contaminants you have in your tap water, with some houses showing really concerning amounts. By installing a whole home filtration system, you're going to be able to remove the vast majority of those nasties that are in your water, giving you better tasting, healthier water from every single tap in the house. The system works in 3 stages. Stage 1, we remove the sediment, rust, algae, even things like mud and clay. You might have seen those videos of tradesmen pulling their hand down the filter and it being all brown and mucky. That's the job of that filter, to do the vast majority of that dirty work. Stage 2, this will remove the chlorine and the odor from your water. Now, nobody wants to be drinking chlorine, that should be in your pool. So stage 2 is a very important filter within the system. Stage 3, the finishing filter. Here's where we're going to remove the herbicides, the pesticides, heavy metals, and the system also incorporates antibacterial technology. Once the system is installed, you will immediately see, smell, and taste the difference in the water coming out of your taps. If you have any questions about the proposal, please don't hesitate to give me a call, text, or email, and I'll be sure to help you out. If you would like to proceed, please select the accept button within that proposal, and Nicole from our scheduling team will be in touch and take care of everything.